Hi guys, we're playing Five Nights at Freddy's 2 demo. Now let's play new game. Venture Pizzeria, giving new life came to part of the okay, let's skip that. 12 a.m. first night. Okay, are we starting? No? It's only dark. Oh, touch here to use your flashlight. Okay, I know. Could you get out? Okay. Oh my god, look. What? I just want to see the golden Freddy. How about over here? No? Here, no? Here? No? Here? How about here? Come on, what the hell is the golden Freddy? Oh, the balloon boy. Nee. What? Oh my god, that looks scary as hell. Look, the baby Freddy. Oh my god. No. Wait. Come on. I'm over here. Okay, how about here? Okay. Safest? Are you serious? He just said safest. Yeah, that is the safest restaurant in the world. Okay, let's look over here. Over here. Over here. No. What the hell is the golden Freddy? Okay, how about the camera? The second camera. Oh, really? What happened over here? Oh, over here? How about over here? What the hell is happening? Wait, where's Bonnie? Where's Bonnie? She's still over there. Wait, she's over here. Over there. There. Get there. Okay, there. That. Oh. What's that? Do you hear it? Oh, please don't tell me that. Oh no, the master puppet. No. 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 Don't even dare. Don't even dare. Okay. What the? What? God, no, no. No, get up. No. 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 No, it's the golden. Oh shoot! That scared the shit out of me. You too. What the hell? Oh, game over. Okay, it scared the shit out of me. Yours too. Yeah, I bet that yours too. So I'll see you next time, cause I don't have a lot of battery, 9%. So see you next time in Five Nights at Freddy's 2, or we could play the 3. So it's your choice. Okay, next time we're going to play Five Nights at Freddy's 2, new game. If we could survive for 9 minutes.